Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Anthony. This is the Driver Mod, and as you saw in the title of this video, we're going to be revealing how you can make 500 horsepower to the wheel in your GT350. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Leave a comment down below. Like this video. Help get it out to other GT350 owners. Now, we recently hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, so to celebrate that milestone, we made special limited edition Driver Mod channel t-shirts. It'll say the channel name there on the back of the neck. You got the channel logo there, and then a special 10K logo on the sleeve, and then just a smaller logo on the front chest right there. Now, they are available in multiple colors: black, white, red, green, blue, a couple other colors there. I'll leave a link in the video description as well as up in the corner right now where you can go check those out. Again, they're limited production. Once we take them down, they'll be gone for good. Now, before we reveal the secrets on how to make 500 wheel in your GT350 for less than $800, that's the key here, guys. Yes, you can do long tubes, you can do all sorts of stuff to make 500 wheel horsepower in these cars, but to do it for less than $800, that's what we're going to be revealing in this video. Now let's show you guys the dyno pull of the 500 wheel horsepower GT350. So as you all saw right there, 494 rear wheel horsepower on the second pull. The first pull was 488, the second one was 494, and they were done back to back. There was no cooling down in between. It was immediate. Now, in order to achieve that, very simple, guys. The first thing we'll mention is the Solar Performance 91mm ported throttle body. We've had that installed on the car for several years now. We did some testing with it. We never dynoed it. But in our tests, the average gain of just the throttle body alone, no other changes, no tuning, was 0.3 faster in our 60 to 130 times. How much horsepower is that? I don't have an exact number on that, but obviously for the time to decrease, it was making more power to the wheel. Now, those throttle bodies, I'll leave a link in the description below for those as well. And you can use promo code TDM350 and you'll get 10% off that throttle body as well. You can send yours in as a core, you can send it in and they'll rework it and then send yours back, or you can just flat out buy a new one, and that's the most expensive route to go, is to buy a new one and not send yours in as a core. But that promo code TDM350 will work on whichever option you go with. Again, that's from Solar Performance, and that's their ported 91mm throttle body. Now, the other thing you got to do is just one other thing, guys, and the last thing you got to do is get yourself a Lund Racing tune. Specifically, their E85 tune. That's it, guys. That's it. We're at 32,000 miles on this Gen 1 Voodoo, and even 8.5 years later, tons of track time, and it's putting down 500 wheel horsepower with just those two changes alone and some E85. Now, the car, when it was completely stock, put down 460 to the wheel, so an increase of about 35 wheel horsepower just from the ported throttle body, E85, and the tune. We've got completely a stock intake, completely stock intake filter, unported stock GT350 manifold, and we've got stock exhaust manifolds and stock headers. Can't really see it, but if you know the build, you know we've just got the stock manifolds and stock headers, just a resonator delete and some Borla active mufflers, and that's it. So pretty good deal, guys. For 800 bucks, you can get a ported throttle body and a E85 tune from Lund Racing, and there you go. Almost 500 wheel horsepower for less than $800.